Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We're so excited to have you again. Yesterday we brought you news respect to what Governor Rufai of Kaduna State have to say about the quest of the Southeasterners for the position of presidency. If you check our feed, you're going to see everything that we reported there. But let me just give you a brief about it. He talked about the issue of secession, that if you are seeking for secession, there's no way you can get the support of Nigerians to present the next president for 2023, and was advising that they should start consultation and they should tell people good reasons why they want to be voted into office. That in as much as he's in support of the Southern providing a presidency for 2023, but then they must pass through the normal electoral process for that to be possible. Renown Igbo, who is one of the groups, would I say, the main group that is so much interested in Igbo Presidency 2023, have responded to them. Don't forget that before now, Professor George Obiozo Renown Igbo says that one of their deliverables is for them to put in Aso Rock an Igbo president, and they are working tirelessly to make sure that that is possible. Now they have responded to Rufai, and you'll be so shocked what they are telling Rufai right now. But before we unveil all of that, we would like to encourage you to please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and also the bell icon, so that you can get notification anytime we publish our videos. All right, let's look at what Ohaneze have to tell Rufai. According to the news, the Renown Igbo Worldwide has condemned the statement credited to the Kaduna State Governor Nasir Rufai that the Southeast region will not get the 2023 presidency by insulting and threatening other Nigerians. In a statement on Friday by Mazi Okechukwu Izuzoro, Secretary General Renown Igbo Worldwide, the group described Rufai's assertion as laughable. It stated that the 2023 Igbo presidency belongs to the Igbos, and the Kaduna State Governor should stop blackmailing the region and focus on the security challenges confronting his state. Rufai spoke during a webinar organized by the African Leadership Group and tagged Developing a Viable Nation to Pastor Itwa Godalo of Trinity House hosted the event. Rufai, while responding to a question about why someone of Igbo extraction has not become Nigerian president yet, had said, "I don't think anyone has stopped the Southeast from going for presidency. But you see, you cannot get presidency of Nigeria by threat or by shouting victimhood. This is a political process, and you have to engage other parts of Nigeria to convince them to support you." I think the Southeast is going about it the wrong way, because if you look at the APC or Progressive Congress, for instance, we do not have any footprint in the Southeast. But Renown Igbo Worldwide, the Apex Igbo Social-Cultural Organization, said Nigerians are aware of the backstage activity of Governor Rufai as the Idi Amin of the North, whose interest is contrary to the Northern collective interest. He is only pushing the selfishness of the few cabal deceiving President Muhammadu Buhari without any solution to the insecurity challenges in the North and now spreading in the South. We urge Rufai to fix Kaduna State insecurity challenges before discussing 2023 election. Southeast is not alone in the secessionist move. We have seen Oduduwa and Middle Belt ethnic group displaying flags of Oduduwa and Middle Belt nations, as both groups are in the same self-determination struggle as the Igbos. We are aware that in 1999, Nigerians voted for Yoruba presidency based on the injustice meted against MKO Abiola, which brought Obasanjo's presidency. We are aware that Niger Delta struggle brought former President Jonathan to power in 2011. We are also aware that Governor Rufai and other Northerners used the Northern insurgency to push President Muhammadu Buhari to power in 2015. It's time to use the 2023 Igbo Presidency project to end Biafra agitation, as the attempt by Rufai and co-travelers to blackmail Igbos with secessionist movement is dead on arrival. That was straight to the point. I'm telling you. That one was just straight to the point. The man just nailed it once and for all. I like to look at what Nigerians. All right, the first commentator here says, he actually said the truth. If you need the presidency, come out and campaign, not to just be in one angle and believing you can do it. That's someone responding to it, supporting El Rufai. Another person says here, in 1999, Nigerians voted based on injustice meted against MK Abiola and brought Obasanjo. Niger Delta struggle brought Jonathan to power in 2011. We are also aware that Governor El Rufai and other northerners used the northern insurgency to push President Muhammadu Buhari to power in 2015. Another one here say, I dey laugh. El Rufai only told truth to who needs to hear. Can't want a divided country and still want to rule same country. It can never happen. The big question the Igbos should answer is who is their candidate should the opportunity open today. That one here says, one thing I want to say is that the Ohanaeze Igbo are master strategists. They have drawn a red line for the northerners and they seem they are not seeing it. There is no leadership sense among all of them. We can all see how Nigeria is. A true leader would have addressed this. Another person here says, the master fighting with his lapdog, Ohanaeze Ndi Efulefu. Wow. This one here says, as much as what El Rufai says is absolutely the truth, Ohanaeze Ndi Igbo needs to throw away any form of bad heart they have towards any northerner if they must succeed at this point. Another person here said, this is to show how heartless and wicked the North can be, and it shows the reality. Don't like us, or they don't really like us, and they took Igbos as their slaves. So Ohanaeze, let's call for our own nation and leave all the blood-sucking guys. Nigerians can't stand out. No need to try. So many responses coming in there. But looking at the situation and what is going on in the country, I think that this is not the ideal time to trade words, you know. This is the time to sieve advice and take the one you want to take and let go of the other. You understand? And right now, if we must be very frank, those who are claiming that they want presidency come 2023, we've not seen any move. This is 2021. And already most persons who are interested in any position in Nigeria have already kickstarted their move. So it's not an issue if you are looking for such. Consultation is inevitable. Nobody will just wake up, because it's not something that you just get it when you want it. You need to start consultation and do the needful to show that you really, really want it. If not, why not just calm down and get focused on one particular thing, pursue it until it is being realized, than just dabbling between the two. You're not even holding this one, you're not holding this one. It makes absolutely no sense. For me, I feel that let's stop trading words with each other. Let's stop fighting each other and learn to concentrate. Do what we are supposed to do. And then if it works out well, so be it. If it doesn't work out, you take turn to face the other side, you know. And that's just my thin cover. Just trying to be very objective here. So I'd like you to go to our comment section. Let's